Now I've got the finger gap. We come round to the centre of the car. There's the badges. And we've got to put our hand into the gap and run across here. My fingers are now on top of the lever. Now here's the awkward thing. There's no point in pressing. You have to be under the lever. Okay, so my fingers are now under. And I lift and note the slight twist. Telescopic struts. Well, the official way is to drop it from at least a foot, 30 centimeters, and I just give it a little bit of a push as well. And then I double check that there's no movement.